Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Okay, 10 of Wands, Libra, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Ten of Wands, the Hierophant and Six of Wands. Fire energy. Knight of Swords, Six of Pentacles and the Hermit. Knight of Cups. Under the deck, King of Wands. It's you, Libra. This is you, very powerful and very attractive and very grounded. You stand by your power. You're always trying to taking your power back no matter what, how the situation was, how the situation is, how the situation will be. Okay. So this is a taking your power back and you are in your control. You are restoring your balance. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 10 of Wands, the Hierophant and 6 of Wands. So in recent past, you maybe was very busy. Maybe you are having so many problems, lot of work, lot of family responsibilities. You are feeling overburdened, but if it is regarding your work, you will get success. You already got success because 6 of Wands is here. Your hard work is paying off for you. And Hermit, here is you are getting promotions in work area. Maybe some situations in relationship, maybe you're waiting for commitment, marriage, and you want to take this relationship to next level. But something is not. I think in past, your work area was very good, but in relationship wise you are feeling hard work because 10 of Wands, you only the person always putting energy in this connection. So then present, Knight of Swords, Six of Swords, the Hermit. Yeah, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening because the Hermit, Virgo, it could be you or your person. I think it's you. You are not talking to your person right now, but they're rushing to talk with you because Knight of Swords energy. Maybe you decided to move on from this person. It could be any reason. For some, it could be no equal give and take, no time. Maybe your person is immature. They're not available to you emotionally. It could be any reason, but they're rushing to talk to you because when you decided to leave on, then they are coming back. Future, Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. Yeah. In past, they hurt you because Five of Pentacles. Maybe it could be your future also. For some, it is your present also. Okay. They are not treating you well. They maybe treat you as an option. But I think there are two persons coming towards you. One could be past and one other could be new. It could be your new person. Someone is approaching you with a lot of love. This person is very sincere. But Knight of Swords energy, it could be your past person. They always come when they want and go when they want, the type of energy, on and off connection. Libra. So be careful, but someone new is coming for some. For some, it could be only one person, but lot of you, I'm seeing two options, two persons coming towards you. Maybe this person will come in near future. Maybe you know, for some you don't know. And Seven of Wands. Maybe you are very defensive right now. You are taking decisions very wisely and very... you are not in rush to make any decision because you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Virgo. See the Tower. Your person undergoing some Tower moment. Because the separation, maybe they treated you as an option. Now they're realizing your worth. For some it could be one person, it depends on your situation, but I'm saying two person, but this is about your person current feelings. Yeah, Hierophant 2 times, commitment issues in past maybe between you and your person. 7 of Cups, maybe your person have options, that's why the issue is here. They maybe treated you as an option, that's why you decided to move on from this person. And Hierophant, Queen of Cups, now they're realizing you both how much you give to them and how much love you give to them, and they now realizing you both, now they're ready, now they're thinking about commitment, because the Hierophant and Queen of Cups, lot of emotions for you, and King of Wands, and they are very attracted towards you. Libra, yeah. So let's see the near future actions, your person near future actions. Yeah, 5 of Pentacles 2 times. 6 of Cups, they're thinking about you a lot. 3 of Cups, they want reunion and they want celebration. And 4 of Swords, maybe your person is not talking to you, maybe they are undergoing some meditation and they want to heal, because a lot of thinking is going in your person's life. They want to heal before coming towards you. 4 of Swords, and they're thinking about you a lot, because 6 of Cups, this could be long distance, this could be soulmate connection, because past life connection. 6 of Cups, they want reconciliation, because 6 of Cups with 3 of Cups, they want reconciliation. If you are in separation, your person want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. But I am seeing separation for some no contact situation, because your person 4 of Swords energy, they are not talking to anyone. You also undergoing hermit mode. So the person involved in this connection would be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Libra. Yeah, Page of Cups, apology, communication. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles under the deck. They really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. They want collaboration. And they know they hurt you in past. That's why they're coming back with an apology. Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're ready to offer equal give and take. But it's up to you. Yeah, you are holding back. Yeah, you both are not talking with each other. Yeah, it is clear. Because you are in 4 of Swords energy, and your person is also 4 of Swords energy, and 3 of Wands under the deck. You turn your back from your person. Maybe you are waiting for them to come towards you. And again, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, you are holding back, Libra, because you are not trusting this person. Maybe some trust issues, but they're coming back with an apology. It's up to you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy, Libra, for the week. They want reconciliation. Yeah. You want this happiness with your person, and you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded and very stable. And Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, death. You are undergoing also some spiritual awakening, Scorpio. The person involved in this connection could be, maybe for some it is one type of ending, but some communication is coming, but whatever it comes, but you stand by your power now. You are waiting for this happiness. For some it will be happen by your new person, because for some there are 2 persons coming towards you. One is past and another one is new. So let's see overall energy of your person for the week, Libra. So I'm forgetting the mutual card. Yeah, Queen of Cups. But you still have, you both have strong emotions for each other. Sorry guys, I forget. Yeah, you both have emotions for each other, but you both are not showing right now. You both are healing yourselves. Queen of Cups energy. Maybe you both are, after healing, you both will come in contact. Maybe they will approach. Yeah, there will be communication is coming, and they will approach you. Yeah, 8 of Swords. Right now your person feeling stuck. Libra, and Six of Wands, they want success in this connection, and Ten of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer long-term commitment. Right now your person feeling stuck and overburdened. It could be any reason. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. A new romantic cycle begins. Wow, new moon in Libra, it's Libra reading. So a new romantic cycle is begins. Yeah, maybe near future you both will reconcile, because they're coming back reconcile. It's up to you what to do, Libra, but they're coming back. But I'm not saying you will. Yeah, you have emotions, but you are not showing. For some you will be taking your person back, for some it depends on your situation, because every person's situation is different from other. Okay, this is general reading. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.